Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to turn on review before publishing for automatic dubbing feature in YouTube for YouTube video. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in YouTube studio. So we already enable automatic dubbing feature for our YouTube channel. So first we are going to check it. On left side you see settings, so click on it, and then you see upload default, so again click on it. Now you see advanced settings, so again click on it. So we are in advanced setting, and then you see automatic dubbing. We enable allow automatic dubbing, but we not enable manually review dub before publishing. If you want, you can enable it. If you enable this option, then this option will work for all new YouTube uploaded video. Now go to YouTube studio again, and we are in uploaded video section, and then you see automatic dubbing. So why we need this feature, manually review dubs before publishing? Why we need to enable or check this option? When you have automatic dubbing enabled for your channel, YouTube can auto translate and dub your videos into different languages. However, there may be a time when you want to review these dub before they go live, especially if you are concerned about the quality or accuracy of the translation. To do this, you can turn on the review before publishing option while you are uploading a new video. So we are uploading a new video. So in upload video section, enable this option, manually review dub before publishing, and then enable review dubs in experimental languages only. So we enable this option. So after that, your audio will be converted into multiple languages. Once you have reviewed the dubs and are satisfied with them, you can then publish your video with the dubs included. So by using this feature, you ensure that the content you share with your audience is accurate and meets your standard, giving you more control over how your videos are presented in different languages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.